Hey there, I'm Amy, your e-commerce growth expert, and if you're looking to add some products to your Shopify store, let's get this done in under 5 minutes. Shopify is your ultimate online stage to showcase and sell your products, gift cards, and services. Once you're ready to kick off your selling journey on Shopify, let's dive right in by logging into your Shopify account. Step 1. Head to the Shopify admin once you're ready. Look to the right side of your screen and click the Products section. You'll find yourself in a place where you can see all your existing products or create your very first one. Hit the Add Products button to get rolling. Step 2. This is where the magic happens. Shopify gives you tons of cool options to flaunt your products. You'll need to add a catchy product name, a description that tells the world what your product's all about, what it's made of, how it's made, and all the cool details. Think of the product title and description like your item's introduction, what it is, what it does, and why it's awesome. Since your customers can't touch or see your products in person, let's make them shine online. Shopify lets you upload images, 3D models, and videos to make your products look super credible. In addition to that, you can include multiple images that you'll later assign to different variants. Step 4. Set the actual price customers will pay and compare it to the original price if you're offering a sale. You can also add the cost per item for your own records. This feature enables you to monitor your profit margin effectively. Step 5. This is where you can set which location this product will be stacked at. You can decide if you want Shopify to track the quantity of your items and whether you want to keep selling even when you're out of stock. And finally, keep tabs on your stock with SKU or stock keeping unit and barcodes for tracking. Step 6. This is for physical products that can be sent to your customers. Enter product weights and any customs information needed. To simplify the process of identifying the product's harmonized system or HS code, you can just type in a keyword and the corresponding code for the item should pop up. Step 7. Now let's talk about variants. Variants are specific combinations that stem from these options. If your t-shirt comes in red, blue, and green colors, in small, medium, and large sizes, and in a v-neck or crew neck style, you've got a bunch of variants representing each unique combination, like a red, medium-sized v-neck. So think of options as the building blocks, the colors, sizes, and styles you're working with. Variants, on the other hand, are the unique outcomes, like different t-shirts that come from mixing and matching the option values. By setting up options and variants effectively, you're ensuring your customers can effortlessly pick the exact product they have in mind during their shopping stroll through your store. Step 8. In this section, you have the opportunity to enhance how your product shows up on search engines. Get creative, make it visually appealing and eye-catching so that it grabs attention when people search for your store or your products. Step 9. Choose whether to publish your product or keep it in the drafts for more editing. Also, select where you want your products to show up once they're out there. Step 10. Classify your products by category, type, vendor, collections, and tags. And finally, choose a cool template to make your products pop on your online store. Save your changes and you're all set to make your product shine on Shopify. In conclusion, in the art of product creation, every detail is a chance to weave a compelling narrative for your customers. The more enticing and detailed your products, the more you draw customers into an immersive experience. From vivid descriptions to captivating visuals, each element contributes to a story that goes beyond a simple transaction. I hope this video sparks your creativity for crafting some awesome products. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos, and thank you for watching again.